Exercise controls weight. Exercise can help prevent obesity or help maintain weight loss. When you do physical activity, you burn calories. When the work is too intense, too many calories are burned. A regular trip to the gym is great, but don't worry if you can't get the most out of your daily exercise time. Any amount of work is better than none at all. To get the benefits of exercise, just work hard all day, take the stairs instead of the elevator, or refresh your homework. Consistency is key. Exercise fights health conditions and diseases. Worried about a heart attack? Hope to prevent high blood pressure? Regardless of your current weight, hard work raises high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, good cholesterol, and lowers unhealthy triglycerides. These two beats keep your blood flowing smoothly, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Regular exercise helps prevent or manage many health problems and anxieties, including stroke, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, many types of cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, waterfalls. It can also help improve mental performance and help reduce the risk of death from all causes. Exercise improves mood. Need a hint of emotion? Or do you need to be depressed after a stressful day? An exercise session or a brisk walk can help. Exercise stimulates a variety of brain chemicals that may leave you feeling happier, more relaxed, and less anxious. You may also feel better about your appearance if you exercise regularly, which may boost your self-esteem and boost your self-esteem. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.